Who that over there? And oh, you right. You right. I thought you was talking about waking me up. No, I done woke that 23 up. Oh, big old bad boy. Well, we appreciate the wave, and we gonna put them back to you. Take care. Have a good year. Oh, no name on this barefoot tram getting on down.
I wish my tram sounded like yours. Ain't no name. I wish my tram sounded as good as yours on that cross.
Well, I don't know what you own, but you sounding good, Cat Mega. You got some bodacious audio, deep and clear. I don't know what more you want. Would it work? It need a little tune up, a touch up.
It's working. Got a picture of from somebody, so I know I plugged it in. It powers up and everything, man. But I know it needs a lot done to it, no doubt. But I ain't gonna say a lot, but I know probably needs a serious tune up on it, no doubt about it. Okay.
Tiffo, well, is it a D201? I might have a couple coming up, but 23 got his name on the first one, though. But I don't know if you want to get with 23. I might do that one up for you. Yeah. You know, even when they working good, they only do 3.5. About all you gonna get out them cat niggas. But tram, you can dead key forward if you modded, you can get higher. But them cat making trams got some audio. Yeah, probably need it gone through too, but I'm a slow cat nigga and I'm old. I do one at a time, so if you want the tram done first, get with 23 and we'll take a look at that for you, and then we'll go from there. Sound good. You know how 23 sound. You sound like him. That deep voice, I like it. Sound like tube audio. But take care. I'm gonna get this barefoot tram 10-something before somebody put a maul on my head, because all I got is 3.5 watts. I'm 10-7. Tiffo, me too. Bye-bye. All right. She good. This her work week. So she worked tonight. She worked tomorrow. And then she off for a week. So week on, week off. But she doing good. We watched a little football Sunday and everything good. How you doing, 23?
Hey, man, I'm blessed. I'm blessed, my brother. Hey, man, I want all 4 games, man. I want all 4 of them games, bro. I had to dig another hole in the back, man. I got cement coming tomorrow, is that right?
Better put a cage around that Krugerrand tree.
So I got cement and, woo-wee. You gotta walk down these steps to go down, and there's a long hallway before you get to the vault. And if you don't know the right combination, boy, you gotta pull that door open, nigga.
You know, I do Halloween. I put some lasers and some lights and some bang bangs on them. Put a little everything on them cat niggas there, Tiffo.
And you know how it is when we in the service, man. We got a lot of booby traps there, right?
That's what I'm talking about. You know how to do it. It sounds good, 23. I like I said, I watched a few of them, and I was thinking that you probably won using Krugerrands.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, if everybody is you the man, come on in and get what you want there, right?
Well, shoot, we need to pay you a visit. Maybe we'll get the sweet thing to cook some spaghetti next time she off. Uh-oh, lost his audio.
Spaghetti, and a slice of garlic bread, and give me a couple of slices of tomato. Oh, man, y'all spoil me there, right?
23, I don't know what I brought that up for. Now I want me some spaghetti, and she ain't here.
I know, man. Y'all just sitting here watching my Chicago fight all day, and so when my needle was moving, I said, when my needle was moving, that's my big brother there, right?
I don't know about that. These little 3 watts. This another trashy tram. This one belonged to somebody else, though. That's finishing it up.
Long as you keep mine on the wraps. So I don't worry about mine. As long as you got it on the wrap, looking all pretty, like you told me.
I don't know if I'm going to give him that one or keep that one. That one talk. Yeah. Hey, we got one with your name on it, 23.
Thank you, kid. I sure appreciate that, man. No doubt about that. All right, I'm going to chill back, little brother, and get back into my stories, man. I got a crook in my neck watching this all day, right?
Woo-wee, I know that's right. I know what you're talking about. I've been doing a lot of driving lately, and I got a crick in mine, too. But anyway, I don't know what you need a tram for, Cap. Nigga, all that audio you got over there. What, you on a big black pretty radio right now?
Yeah. I thought you knew. I tell you all the time about it. You ain't been up here in a while. But, this 2995 DX, you know, it's, when Dr. Radio went in, when I first bought it new, he went through it. I said, now, you know what I want, Doc? Forget all that little junk. You know what I want, all my radio. Sell like you've been selling up all my radio. And that's what he did there, right?
Yeah. He the man, and he got that cat make it sounding good. You hear me?
I sure thank you, my brother. Come from a tech like you know, woo-wee. You make me feel so good.
Well, I can't help it because you sounding so good, and I'm going to leave you with them roses. Hey, 23, may the good Lord take a liking to you, but not too soon. I'm just
Oh, gee, you sound good also, my brother. Don't forget to get a pretty out man, the rest of the family. Y'all stay well, stay blessed, and I pray that the Father watches over you and yours throughout the night and keep y'all safe. God loves you, and so do I. I'm back in the bushes.
Tiff out. All right.
Oh, yeah, love you, my brother. I'm going back to the tube. Your program must be on.
All right. Last
Your program must be on.
Tram D201A, unless I take that locals D201. I do have another Titan and another hardwired tram in line belong to somebody else, but I'm done with this one. Maybe the guy that dropped this off will recognize it. I'm buttoning it up. It's ready. Tram D201A, nice clean one, not mine. Ready to go. All right, that's it for this one. Bye.